Hey, what's up? How are you? Okay, now let's talk about 2011D and 2011 No Mint Mark Lincoln Shield Penny. I have no 2011 No Mint Mark here, but I have some information about the said coin. Okay, 2011 Shield Penny. Okay. Let's find out the price or the value of a 2011D and 2011 No Mint Mark in top condition. Yeah, in top condition. Okay, here we go. The most valuable 2011 No Mint Mark penny to cross the auction block was graded by Professional Coin Grading Service as Amos 68RD and fetched an astounding $455 in a 2017 auction. Okay, let's go to 2011D. Lincoln Shield Penny. Okay, here we go. The most valuable 2011D penny to ever sell was graded by Professional Coin Grading Service as Amos 68RD and sold for $667 in a 2017 auction. Okay. I hope I was able to provide some information for coin collecting. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.